Everyone's selling luxury these days, but what if we tell you there's a project that actually means it? No sky-touching towers packed with hundreds of flats, no generic clubhouse, and definitely no waiting years for returns. This is where Dubai-inspired living meets Noida's most exclusive address. Limited homes, world-class experience, and a commercial zone that pays you back from day one. Presenting M3M Cullinan. Projects like these don't come often, and when they do, they don't stay available for long. For easy understanding, we have divided the video into 5 parts: location, highlights, amenities, pricing, and the developer, so that you can make an informed decision. Starting with the location, it is located in Sector 94. The grand 13-acre project is located right on the Noida-Greater Noida Expressway. It's just 5 minutes away from the golf course and closely connected to major landmarks like the Mahamaya Flyover, Kalyanti Kunj Bridge, Amity University, and just 0 kilometers from Okhla Bird Sanctuary, which means 0 kilometers from Delhi. Thus, everything you need is within reach, making it perfect for both living and investment purposes. Talking about the project highlights, now what makes this project special is its Dubai-style mixed land use concept, which means commercial space at the bottom and ultra-luxury residences on top. The best part is that here you'll just get 360 homes in 13 acres. That means no crowd, more space, more greenery, more privacy, and a place that actually feels premium. This project is especially for those people who value exclusivity. The commercial area includes triple height shops and food and beverages outlets spread across 2 floors, starting price of which is around 1.15 CR and with 12% assured rental returns from day one. Coming to the best part of this project, which is the amenities. This project will feature Noida's biggest clubhouse spread across a massive 1 lakh square feet with 100 plus amenities. They say whatever you think is at M3M, whether it's wellness, recreation, sports, or social gatherings, there's something for everyone. Coming to the main pointer, that what is the typology and the pricing of these units. Here homes are not just big, they're grand. Choose from 3, 4 and 5 BHK residences starting at 3270 square feet and going all the way up to 6000 square feet. A 3270 square feet will feature a 3.5 BHK, a 4315 square feet will feature a 4.5 BHK, and the most lavish and the massive one, which is a 5935 square feet, will feature a 5.5 BHK. And with a payment plan of 25/4, you're not just buying space, you're investing in pure luxury. And when we talk about the commercial space, the best part is that paid is 50% now and the rest after 2 years of possession. It's easy, stress-free, and totally worth it. And when we talk about M3M, it is one of the fastest growing real estate names in the country, and for good reasons. With 3000 plus acres of land and 56 plus delivered and ongoing projects, they focus on what actually matters. Great location, smart planning, and timely delivery. Whether it's residential or commercial, M3M projects are known for their quality, thoughtful design, and how they make sense for today's lifestyle and investments. So if you want a home that speaks luxury, gives smart returns, and makes a statement, this is your chance. For price, layouts, or a personal site tour, just reach out to Investor Expert today. And hey, hit that subscribe button for more inside scoops on properties that actually stand out. That was all for today's video. See you in the next video.